This is how you make the most delicious donuts at home. They're crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and just taste absolutely beautiful. Start off by getting yourself a mixing bowl, adding in 500 grams of bread flour, 50 grams of caster sugar, 7 grams of fast action yeast, 10 grams of table salt, then give that a good mix and add in 50 grams of room temperature unsalted butter. Using your fingers and thumb, rub the butter with the mixture until you have a breadcrumb consistency. Then make a well in the center and add 2 large eggs at room temperature, 290 milliliters of full fat milk at room temperature. Then give that a good mix and then cover the bowl with cling film and set aside for 30 minutes. Now place your dough onto the surface and start kneading away. Now this is a high hydration dough and it's super sticky. So what we're going to do is pick the dough up, stretch it out and fold it over itself, taking it from the side each time. And then repeat this method until it passes the window pane test by stretching out the dough and making sure it doesn't rip. This will typically take around 20 minutes. Now place your dough into a mixing bowl and let it proof for around 1 to 1.5 hours. Once your dough is fully proofed, place it onto a lightly floured surface and start rolling it out evenly. Then get yourself something circular such as a mug, or I'm using a large pastry cutter. I forgot to press record on the first cutting, so this is what I did on a smaller piece of dough. Then use something round and small to poke a hole into the middle. You can just use a bottle cap if you don't have anything else. Then place your donuts onto a lightly floured chopping board or a tray and then cover with cling film and let it proof for a further hour. Now start heating up a large pot of sunflower oil or vegetable oil and bring to around 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your donuts into the oil and cook on each side for around 2 minutes, then place onto a cooling rack for 5 minutes. Then coat your donuts using caster sugar and cinnamon. Then finally put some melted chocolate into a piping bag and insert in 3 sections of the donut, and that's it. That's how you make the most amazing homemade donuts. Any questions or any requests, whack them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Cheers.